Real good. 720. Nice again. My man is a dog off. Oh, the SVJ! Oh! What's the plate? It's 12 rand. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. Saturday, nice weather, not too hot, not too cold. No rain, which is good. Don't want to jinx it. Anyway, we got the V4S out. And today I am literally deciding to go into central London yet again to get some more videos. Well, I need to get some reels. I'm gonna need a little bit of photo content, and I would show you guys. I've got my GoPro 360 Max hooked up to the back of the bike. I can't show you that yet, but when I get a chance I will turn around and show you guys. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys for the support so far. We're almost at 200 subscribers. I know it's nothing, it's not hugely major, but to me every little thing counts. So yeah, I just appreciate the support so far. I know some of you guys have DM'd me. I'm gonna try and hit you guys back up in the DMs, get back to you guys. I know a couple of you said about meeting up and riding. I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Get through this. Yeah, let's give you some space. Yeah, peeps, I'm all for it. Yeah, for sure. I'll have to link up with some of you guys somehow. Wow, you crossed the line quite a lot, didn't you? Jeez. Adios. Why do I keep getting false neutrals? Mate, you know what? I think because these boots are a lot like softer. Yeah, they're not really recommended. That's why when you kick it, right, when I'm kicking it, it's not really doing much. So, do you know what? I fully understand why you just have riding boots. I'm not gonna lie. Last time I didn't feel this bad. I guess I'm so used to riding in proper boots that, yeah, I mean right now when I'm kicking the quick shifter, like I'm literally giving it a boot, because otherwise it just pops into neutral. But when I want neutral, I don't get it, which is stupid. So don't really understand that. I don't know why. Do you know what, guys? I can't lie. I did like chest day recently, and wow, I am in so much pain, right? And I feel like I can't even lift or move or do anything. It's just messing me up. Yes, I don't know how well this is gonna go. Like, I feel like when I got on the bike, I was like, damn, I shouldn't have ridden yet, because I mean, I'm just in pain. Heston. Yeah. Anyway, on to Sloane Street we go. Why does this bike feel so eager to go today? What's going on? It needs to chill out. I'm not even in race mode. Throw seems so sensitive today, or maybe I'm just too tired and drained to keep up with what it's trying to do, I think, actually. Like I said, I did chest day. You guys, I thought it was recording, right? It wasn't recording, but there were so many people back at the park there. I mean, so many people. It looked crazy. And I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So, if any of you lot put out, boy. So yeah, a lot of people out. Busy Saturday. Cayman. Well, I think we'll see a lot of cars today. Arab plates, definitely to be expected when you're up here. Yep. Got some love. Cool. I'm going straight. Let's see what London has for us today. I know there's gonna be plenty supercars. Wow, I was just saying, and I'm sure it's a 430. Yep, on Arab plates, yet again. Oh, sorry. Thanks, man. Oh, got a center. Got a center. Woo, looks good. What's the plate? It's 12 rand. Not bad. Senna! Should go Senna chasing. For real, I should chase that. You know what? I'm gonna go straight. I wasn't going to, but you know what? For now. Oh, the SVJ! Oh! Gosh! You know what? I wasn't even gonna go this way, but for the sake of that center, I guess we gotta do what we got to do. GTR, another G-Wagon, golden G-Wagon, gold. Gold, yo. My man is a dog off in the G. Yeah, he's a joker. Man had a dog in on his lap, like. Boy. Oh, Ferrari. Yo. Kinda cool. Kinda cool, I can't lie. 308 GTS, you know, it's jokes. I can't even fit in that car. Tried to drive two of them. Didn't work, I failed. But hey, I'm kind of tall anyway, so I guess that wasn't going to work out great. Actually, do you know what? Let me show you guys a couple of cars without getting hit. Don't no one sneak up behind me. Alright, come on. Follow me, people. The Duke looks good. What we got? Let's see. Two RS, nice, real good. 720, nice again. Damn, you guys part hella close. What the? Let's see the spec. This has got yellow, bruh. My man has a yellow interior. It's kind of cool though. Interesting. Very interesting. Nice. 643. That plate's quite a bit of money. Carbon shields. Yeah, he went in. Yeah, that is just too close for my liking though. They parked hella close. Yeah, the 2RS is a whole vibe. Look at this thing. Yeah, that's sick. It's a vibe. Sharps. This is what people come to London for, pure shopping. Oh. And the madness begins. That was a Hurricane Spider 580 rear-wheel drive. I'm surprised this place used to be mega police ridden. I don't know what's happened. It hasn't really chilled out much. Still a lot of cars, still a lot of revving and fast driving. Well. There we go. And the Senna again. Not bad. What'd you guys pick? Senna or Lambo? Alright, let's see. M5. And it's... Right, he's a madman. Joker. Kind of dangerous still. Seen everyone filming. What is it? That's an F8. He might put his plate up in the dash. I mean the frickin'... You know what I mean anyway. In the windscreen at the top. Interesting. Lady driven G. Again? What's going on, bro? You good?
Nice bike, mate.
Cheers, bro.
What is it?
Ducati V4S. V4S.
You know, our boss has got an S. Bro, that's 55. Yeah, 37k or something.
Yeah, they're kind of pricey still.
There's only 60 or 65 of them.
Yeah, I think when you first get it, they get like build slots on them. They're hard to get.
The V, is that the SP2?
No, the other version, the one before it.
Oh, okay, so our boss has got an SP2.
Yeah.
He's never opened it up.
Are you serious?
You can. On the road, you can't open it up.
Nah, bro. This and the SP2 have the exact same engine. SP2 just got a little bit more carbon. But on this, I can't get out of first gear. I'll be doing 100.
Yeah, he does first gear in 80, bro. This is a
yeah.
55.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Imagine you riding.
Bro, gotta be careful.
Bro, he's mad. He's got a stupid fast.
Yeah, but it's done. I've done like 180 something on this already. That a few days after I got it. They're ready, bro. I've already got it for YouTube anyway, so frick it.
And then we're gonna probably go for a little ride somewhere. So.
Alright, bro. Alright, we'll see. We'll see what's going on, bro. Yeah. Nice to meet you, bro. Bless. Just rolled up. We got a Harley Davidson. Jeez. Very nice.
Yeah, this is everyone.
I like that. You know, I'll just sit on it and see how it is. Wow, that is super comfy. Wow! No way! The clutch feels quite nice as well.
Yeah, so I switched to Harley.
Wow! That is, but look at, yeah, but Harley is the bike, like. Yeah, that is mental how comfy that is.
I cannot.
No way! What? Are you serious?
Yeah, that's what
that is gorgeous!
Yeah, that's the difference.
No, that is nice. Even the exhaust. Good grief!
That's weird. That's what they get pissed off.
Yeah, all the revving. M5.
Stop showing off. Honestly, stop.
V10. Oh my client. 7JJ. Go for it. Is that good, yeah? You're welcome. You're welcome. Anytime.